Hi, my friends. Welcome to the Diamond Painting Effect with Cori. I'm Cori, and I'm here today with a unboxing, unbagging of this part 2 of my VIP cross-stitch order that I began earlier this week. I had a minute here, so I thought I'd jump in and do this before this day gets going. I have exciting news. My brother is coming home. Well, he's coming for the weekend. He and his wife are coming, and I'm awesome excited about that. But there's lots to do to get ready for that. I have 3 cross stitches left to show from my order, and this is the first one. The first one is some kittens in the window. Outside are some flowers, looks like lilacs or lavender and butterflies, and I thought that was just a cute image. I'm loving cat images these days, and it drew my attention. This is a Joy Sunday, and I will list the price that I paid for it down below because right now I don't know. So that's the cover page, and this is the pattern. The pattern is all on front and back of one sheet of paper. There are 31 colors. There are French knots. There's 2 different colors of French knots, and there is back stitching. And the back stitching, as you can see, is the vegetation, flowers, leaves, and butterflies, and there's just quite a bit of back stitching. But there's, let's see, there's like 8 colors of back stitching. So, the pattern symbols don't match what's on the canvas with the Joy Sunday kit, and that's fine with me. It makes it a little bit more difficult, but it also helps to clarify. So these are the colors. Quite the colors I would expect from this kit. There are 2 needles that are attached to it. This is a 14 count, and it is a 30 by 21 centimeter squares. Well, not square, but 30 by 21 centimeters. The name of this kit is called Feline Love. And I don't know what it says on the website. They don't always do what the website says. So we have some green grays, some green colors, some browns. We've got some lavenders. This looks kind of like a periwinkle blue, purple. And that's probably a 310 color right there. And then a lot of the 5200. So those are the colors. These are nice, soft flosses. And here we go. This is what we're waiting for right here. There's the canvas, the Aida cloth, printed Aida cloth. And it has the symbols that are actually on the Aida cloth are across the bottom and sides on Joy Sundays. And I'm going to draw it up close. The printing did land well on the Aida cloth. So it's right on the grid. Oh, that's so wonderful. You know, I think it's a miracle that they can do that. Truly a miracle that they can get that on the grid like that. This is a full coverage, and Gunther wants to do his cameo. He needs a visit. Just once. Okay. Okay, kitty, can move on. It's time to move on, kitty. There we go. So, Gunther just wants to be a star. So, that's it for this kit. I believe I covered all the pertinent information. Joy Sundays are serged around the edges, and so that's a good thing too. I'm really liking Joy Sunday. If you've noticed, I'm buying more Joy Sundays. you just pretty much know you're going to get a good kit with them. There are some that fail, but I really like them. And they do have 11 count. I think they're harder to find though. And since I'm doing better with my eyesight, here is another Joy Sunday wannabe. It's called Flower Cabin, and to me it looks like a garden shed. And this one is a larger one, and it's a 56 by 42. And so the instructions on these Joy Sundays are on the back. The instructions are there for if you're a beginner. It tells you how to work the stitches. It actually shows actual stitches that may be needed in your kit. Most of them usually only use the back stitch and the cross stitch. Sometimes a half cross stitch. So, isn't that cute, pretty cabin? I love it. Let's see how many pages this is going to take up. Okay, it's a folded out, one long fold out. So there's 1, 2, 3 parts of pages. And there's quite a bit of back stitching in this one too. It says Interfriend. And there are 35 colors. And there are 7 back stitches and a French knot color. Oh, then there's a lot of thread here. I think this is the biggest Joy Sunday kit I've ever gotten. Tell you the truth, I think it's the biggest one. And look at those colors. Lots of greens. There's some pinks and reds and purples and taupes. And oh, there's yellow here, kind of a gold color. And they have these aren't knotted, these are just looped over, but they're in there tight and secure. There are 2 needles here as well. And like I said, there are 35 colors. Nice soft colors. And here we go. Here's the canvas. I call it canvas. Here's that printed Ada. And I'm doing it upside down. And it actually looks like it's going to fit in the screen of the camera. Yay. So again, this one is, let me look at the measurements again. It's 56 by 42. And this looks like it'll be fun. I thought it would be a lot of confetti, and it looks to me like it's not really that bad for confetti. It's the colors are, even though it's not solid color, the colors are grouped together that where you'll need them. Let's see, get that all in. Can we get it all in? I think I did. There we go. So, and again, the symbols are different here than they are on the pattern, which is fine. Over here, it tells you how many stitches wide by how many stitches high. So this is 450 stitches across, and it's 373 stitches high. So that way you know what you're in for. You can figure out how many stitches you're going to do, although that probably isn't accurate because the background is not on this one, is not stitched. The cat one was solid, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's solid, but this one, the background isn't stitched. So that's my flower cabin garden shed. And this one, I'm really jumping off into the deep end here, guys. This one is a 16 count, and it's multiple reasons this is a deep end. first of all, 16 count. I haven't done a stamped cross stitch in less than 14 count. It's the first time I've dove into that one. And then I chose one that is all dark colors. So I don't know how this is going to go. Let me see if there is a picture that I can show you. Here is the pattern. This pattern is actually, you can peel back the back and then make it, turn it into a sticker. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but this is the image. Isn't that adorable? I could not pass it up. But it's 16 count, a lot of dark colors, and this. But I'm excited to try a 16 count stamped cross stitch. So this is the pattern. It's a 30 by 30 centimeters, and this one actually doesn't have the stitch count on it. This one is a no name, and you guys, oh wow, I want you to show what just happened. There's one canvas and there's another one. There accidentally got two printed cross stitches. Wow, I don't know what to do about that. You guys write down below if you want. It's a on the spot giveaway. If you live in the United States and you want this printed canvas, let me know and I'll send it to you. You'll have to get your own floss, but I'll send you the canvas. So there you go. I'll do it. If there's not very many offers, I'll just put them in a drawing, and we'll do a giveaway. I don't know if it's of value to somebody. You'll have to get your own threads, but it's listed here what you need, and I can count how many strands I have over here of each one, and if anybody wants that extra canvas, I'll send it to them. Just let me know. So anyway, that was exciting. Okay, so it's 150 stitches wide by 150 stitches, so it's square. That way I can know to count. It has 40 colors for such a small cross stitch pattern. That is awesome. So I got 40 that. Let's look at the colors. This one had a toolkit. For some reason I don't get that many that have the complete toolkit. There's about 4 or 5 needles in there with a poof ball, and this is a pseudo thimble. It will work in a pinch. It actually works better. I can't get a thimble to fit, so if I really need one, those really come in handy, and it has a needle threader. So here are the colors. That is so kind of awesome there. A surprise giveaway here. There are a lot of this color here. You guys, it's probably cheaper to just order the kit than it would be to buy the threads, honestly. But if you want it, okay, so that's color number 40, I guess. That's what that is. And color number 40 is color number 3885. Yeah, 3885. You just got to see my messy hair. Okay, that's what I do when I can't find the end. You just kind of shake it and it will unwind for you. I'm over here. This one for sure I will have to rekit. There you go. These are the colors. These are some whites and browns and beige. So I'm sure this is the flower that cat is holding. And then, oh, that sparkle blue right there. I don't know where that, maybe it's an eye. I don't know. And there's whites. I guess there's more shading in this than I thought there would be, but then those are just right there are the colors I thought would be in here. Just typical grays and blues, and there's even a mauve color here, a deep purple, and so that's exciting. I can't wait to start this, so be looking for a start on that one, guys. Gosh, this one is searched as well. It's not a Joy Sunday. It's well, we call them No Name brand, and so that is that for that one. I hope I got so distracted. I don't know if I've told you all the details y'all want to know about these things, but that is my cat, and I'm gonna go ahead and leave that there like that, and I'll put my cover sheet of the cabin. Let's see, so you can see the cat, and there's the they call it flower cabin garden shed, and then there is the cats peeking out the window. And I will put the prices down below and the links if I can find them, and let you know. I will let you know if the price I list or the price I paid or the price that that are at the present. But either way, it won't necessarily be what the price is when you order. So that's it for my part 2 of VIP Crosstitch. I love that store. I'm continually getting awesome kits from them, and I want to thank them. I bought these, but I really thank them for the support they've given me. And I also want to thank you for joining me in a diamond painting and cross-stitching effect with Cori. Maybe I'll make it official one of these days. Take care, and I'll see you again in the next one.